welcome back to the final 15th episode of the series Mini Writing Workshop. I am Pratiksha Manglekar, and in this 15 episode series, we have improved our writing skills in just 5 minutes per episode. Today, we'll explore how to craft an engaging ending that leaves a lasting impression. This is our final episode, so let's make it count. Endings are very important. They are crucial because they create a final impression of your story. They also tie up the loose ends and provide a resolution. A well crafted ending resonates emotionally with your readers, making your story very memorable and impactful. Here are some types of engaging endings. First is the full circle, which returns to the story's beginning theme. Like Paulo Coelho's book, The Alchemist. It begins with, Santiago at the sycamore, where there are sycamore trees, and it ends at the same place, but now with a resolution. Second is having a twist, which adds an unexpected turn. Think of all the thriller movies, they are full of unexpected turns. Third is the reflection, which provides insight or the lesson that is learned maybe by the protagonist. And the fourth is the open ending, which leaves room for interpretation or for continuation. Think of all the animated movies like these Marvel and DC movies. All of them are, they give a sign of the next part to be released. The plot mountain or the story arc has a beginning, middle, and end. You are already aware of this. Starting with exposition, conflict, rising action, reaching the climax, to falling action, and finally resolution. To craft a compelling ending or a compelling resolution, revisit the key themes to tie back to your story's core messages. Resolve major plot points to address all significant elements of the plot and deliver an emotional payoff that provides a satisfying conclusion. You could even give this to read to your friends if they feel satisfied. Common mistakes in endings include rushing to the end without proper resolution, also, overcomplicating the ending with unnecessary elements and leaving loose ends. Remember, our ending is supposed to be clear cut and it should not be complicated because it's a time of resolution, right? The reader is supposed to feel happy at the end. Ensure that your ending is clear, concise, and fully resolves the story. Here's a practical exercise. Write an engaging ending for a short story with a theme of childhood memories, using one of the types of endings that we discussed. Focus on creating a strong conclusion that ties up your narrative and leaves a lasting impression. Thank you for being a part of this incredible journey through all 15 episodes of Mini Writing Workshop. Since we launched on July 25th, 2024, your unwavering support has been truly inspiring. I am deeply grateful for the growing community of viewers and subscribers. We are now a group of 400 plus learners who are connected on a regular basis with me. Please continue to show your love and stay tuned for even more exciting content. For more writing tips and updates, follow me on Instagram and WhatsApp. I'll mention the links in the in the description. As someone who loves art, poetry, language, literature and exploring new cultures, I'll keep creating new videos on enriching topics. I read each and every comment and I'm always eager to hear from you. If there's a specific language or grammar topic you'd like me to cover, feel free to let me know. Mention it in the comments. I'd be happy to create videos based on your suggestions. Until next time, keep writing and stay inspired. Picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.